Hello everyone and welcome to the Somco Software Cute Quick Item of the Week. Today we will talk about MouseArea. A finger press or a mouse click does nothing by itself in QML. MouseArea is the item that listens for pointer user. You set a defined area on screen and that zone becomes interactive for the user. Buttons, sliders, checkboxes and custom controls all lean on it. By the end of this episode, you will know how to catch clicks, show press feedback, read the pointer position, drag items on a screen and build a small interactive panel like this one. Before we start, we are Somco Software, an embedded software development company. In Somco Software, we build real products with multiple GUI frameworks. We specialize in Qt and LVGL. Check our channel for amazing tutorials, and if you want to work with us, reach out. We can help you with any topic related to embedded software. Now let's go back to the video. Start with a rectangle and a mouse area on top. Anchors.fill parent makes the mouse area size the same as the rectangle. The area can be invisible, but it still catches clicks. onClicked runs when the user taps or clicks. You can also use onPressed and onReleased. So let's test this code. When we click on that rectangle, the text should change. And it changed. Another mouse area property is pressed. It is true while the finger or mouse button is down on the mouse area. We bind it to the color or scale for quick feedback. So when the mouse area is pressed, the color and scale should change. And it's changing. On the setup that is using a mouse, you can also turn hoverEnabled. The property containSMouse tells you when the pointer is over the area, even before click. So when I move the mouse to this rectangle, it should change. MouseArea gives you also mouseX and mouseY. They are the position inside the area from the top left corner of the mouse area. So while I'm moving the cursor in the mouse area, the numbers updates. MouseArea can also handle the drag for you. Set the target to the item you want to move. Here we have knob that we want to drag. We can drag it all over the place. Drag minimum and drag maximum X and Y keep the knob inside the box. So we can't go through this box. You can also set the drag.axis to pick which way the item may move. Drag.axis only lets you drag the left and right. Drag.Y.axis only lets you drag up and down. Drag.X and Y.axis allow you to drag in both directions. On desktop, cursorShape changes the mouse cursor over the area. So here the cursor shape is pointing hand. So when I hover my mouse to this box, it should change. We have other cursor shapes like cross cursor, cute size all cursor, and we also have closed hand cursor. This is the small detail, but it makes custom UI feel finished. Another property is acceptedButtons. Picks which mouse button count. Default is the left button only. But you can modify it. Right now, acceptedButtons is only right button. So left button is not triggering the onClicked. When I press right button, text changed. We can also add as many buttons as we want. Here, MouseArea accepts left and right button. So when I click on this rectangle by left button, the text should also change. And it changed. Use this for menus or extra actions on desktop. On pure touch hardware, you usually stay with the default tab. And here we have mixed the ideas from this episode. hoverEnabled lights the frame when the pointer enters, pressed scales the dot, and drag.target moves the handle inside the bounds. Let's test this out. QML makes this kind of panel fast to build. A little MouseArea code, clear feedback, and it already feels like product UI, not only a lab demo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Tell us in the comments what QML item we should cover next. If your team needs help with embedded projects, visit us, link in the description. And now, thanks for watching and I see you in the next episode. Cheers!